Hello and welcome to just a quick, hopefully one-take video. I'm currently watching, I'll just open the curtain here. I'm currently watching my dad's solar system doing quite some regulation, and the weather it's geographically different. It's not here, but the weather is quite similar apparently to here. So you might see my face go like dark and bright all the time, and that's because the sky is very cloudy. I can quickly swing the camera around. Yeah, so right now it's sunny, but you can see all the clouds, and the solar irradiation is varying very quickly. Yes, and what that means is we've got a quick change in solar power. So the peak power of the new system is 6.6 kilowatts, and I've actually seen this today. And yeah, currently you see it's dropped off a cliff to 1300, 1500. And we can see how the batteries try to compensate this. So the power into the car is, well, I wouldn't say it's constant, but it's varying very slowly. I've set the PI controller up that way, so that it doesn't react too quickly to changes in power availability, because I want the house batteries to do that. Yeah, and that's currently happening. Now you see there's a steep increase in solar power to 4.2 kilowatts, and it starts putting it into its local battery. And you can see we've got a little variation here. It was 12, now it's climbing slowly because it's got more power available. And similar here on the SMA overview. It's so the new system isn't included in the solar power here, and also the additional power provided by the new system isn't included in the total consumption figure. So yeah, it would be nice to eventually integrate this, but well, right now it isn't. And then on this console window here, we can see the regulation error. Like ideally, we would want this to be always zero, like no power going into the grid or taken from the grid. But yeah, obviously that's not always possible. And depending on how quickly the irradiation changes, we can see regulation errors up to 2 or 3 kilowatts here. And you can see currently it's rather small errors in the hundreds of watts, so that's okay. Yeah, and to my amazement, even though the car is able to charge with 11 kilowatt, sometimes the power from the two solar systems is more than that, so there's enough power to charge both home batteries and the car at the same time. And then as the irradiation drops again, we can counteract that to keep the car's charging power constant or level. Yeah, and here you can see some bigger regulation errors now that the irradiation changes rather quickly again. Good. Yeah, I think 3 minutes of this is enough. I'm just super excited to watch this, because I've kind of programmed 2/3 of it myself. 1/3 is the SMA solar system that's not in my control. Yeah, for me it's just super fun to watch. I hope it's kind of interesting for you as well. Good. Yeah, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.